There's a few more people in the house than there were earlier.
Getting their fires going.
Yeah, like all the fire pits. Smoke! Smoke!
Everybody's got the little jackets on. I know it's cold.
That's cool. Hey, Robin. How you doing?
It's a little chilly, but it's a beautiful view.
Yeah, it is.
Thankfully, you're keeping me warm.
Yeah, we're working on it. Beautiful night at Doheny Park in Southern California. Awesome.
Woo! Okay. See, now we got the sunset behind us.
Or fade to black.
Fade to black.
This is what you do when it's too cold on a beach in California. But we are enjoying our neighbors' campfires outside. That's nice.
And twinkle lights.
And twinkle lights. And I'm enjoying a Shiner Bock beer. And Robin has her little Moscato.
Just the right size.
It's Robin size.
Yeah, I'm probably not going to remember that.
Alright, you ready to play some Scrabble?
Yep, let's do it, baby.
Boom.
Boom.